Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the system. Use an admin account so you can change firewall settings without interruptions. Once done, close Photoshop and confirm its exe path. This matters because rules target that file directly. Make sure Windows Security or Control Panel is accessible. You'll create outbound rules there. You're doing this to block network calls while keeping local file and GPU access. Now open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security and get ready to add a custom outbound rule for the Photoshop executable. Next, create the outbound rule that stops Photoshop from reaching the internet. Choose New Rule Right Arrow Program and paste the exact Photoshop. Exe path. Specificity avoids blocking other Adobe tools. Select Block the Connection, Not Allow, and apply it to domain, private, and public unless you have a specific profile need. Give the rule a clear name so you can identify it later. If some features still try to connect, consider also making a matching inbound rule or blocking known Adobe Update/Service executables with separate rules. Finally, restart Photoshop and verify it cannot access online features you wanted blocked. Make sure Creative Cloud Sync is turned off inside the app to avoid local interference. If you still see outbound traffic, inspect other Adobe processes and services like Adobe Updater or CC Service and block their EXEs too. Also review Task Scheduler and host file overrides. If troubleshooting, temporarily disable the new firewall rule to confirm behavior changes, then re-enable it. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Log events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.